Here we come to the elevator at my pleasure in New York City. Oh, hospital sized. Always didn't put this in, that's unexpected. I don't always do installations in the city. Alright, here we go. Okay. The elevator likes to say a lot of bad words. This is not McDonald's. I thought this was. Mind the doors. This is definitely a slap-on mod because of the fact that they have Adams call stations on the outside. This is my first elevator at a Chick-fil-A. Only in the city you'll find an elevator at Chick-fil-A. Hospital sized, or rather smaller hospital sized. This is pretty small for it. Thank you for not cussing on my face, barcode reader. You can get a life. It would have made more sense if it was in a McDonald's. We'll close up. There goes see the Adams call buttons, so this is a slap-on mod. Yeah, that's it.